racing out well. Art Aficionado is right there from the inside as they head onto the opening turn. Sliding up into third, Bubblicious. Kenny the Cowboy backed off his leave attempt. He'll settle fourth in the early stages. Fifth is Rusty's Rocket, who's struggling a bit on the opening turn. Sixth in behind him is Gamerlane, then 2 lengths further to Samantha Rosa. Eighth on the inside is Western Romeo. Ninth on the outside is He Does It All as they hit the quarter in 27 and 3. And at the back is Speedy Gonzalez, who trails the field. Tarver Hanover has made the lead. Art Aficionado is in the pocket there second. Bubblicious third. Kenny the Cowboy is racing in fourth. The whip on his tail now as Sears makes his move, firing up fast on the outside. And Kenny the Cowboy is now third, and he is sprinting up into second. And after Tarver Hanover for the front. Further back fifth is Rusty's Rocket. Gamerlane sixth on the outside. So Monterosa trying to catch his cover. Kenny the Cowboy chased a bit to clear the half in 56 and 1. Further back eighth is Western Romeo. Ninth on the outside as the field paces the turn. He Does It All trying to catch the cover flow. And Speedy Gonzalez is the trailer. Kenny the Cowboy looking for a bit of a third quarter breather. Samantha Rosa went off stride there on the turn. Tarver Hanover is still in the pocket racing in second. Art Aficionado finds himself trapped in on the inside. Gamerlane trying to make progress first up. Angling off the cones fifth is Bubblicious as they hit three quarters 1:24 and 4. Kenny the Cowboy is in control on the front end. Tarver Hanover is in behind him from second. Gamerlane drifting a bit. That gives Art Aficionado some room. And Kenny the Cowboy tries to quicken. Tarver Hanover takes a run at him from the pocket. Kenny the Cowboy digging in. Tarver Hanover slingshotting up on the outside. These two come to the line. Tarver Hanover nailed Kenny the Cowboy. Art Aficionado third, 1:52 and 3.